Cameron. Hi, Cameron. What's he doing? Ooh, go tell us stories. Come on. Yeah? Go tell us stories. Come on.
Tenderloin that was in there.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. Look at you go. Kick it. Come on.
Yeah, I think 2 months
Come
too
on.
late, maybe.
Kick your feet. Yeah. Come on. Kick your feet. Come on. Kick your feet. Kick them. Oh. Get that kick. Kick your feet. Kick your feet. Come on, get the baby giggles. Get those baby giggles. Yes, good boy. He's like, what are you doing? He just wants to get the camera. Get the camera. You gonna get the camera? Come on. Yeah, there you go. Get really excited because it's getting closer. I can almost touch it. Get that camera. Get it. Yeah. Oh, gonna roll over. You're gonna back up so I don't want to miss it. Can you roll over? Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh, what you looking at? That's better.
He loves upside down faces.
Yeah, sweetie. You cry. Yes. Yes. I think he's getting tired of being held. Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Ah, we got it. Yay! You did it. You did it.